Yes, good morning to all of you. I'm fine, dear. Antara, I'm fine. And how are all of you? Well, and how was your English exam? How was your English exam, right? It was good. Okay, then fine. Then now we should continue with our next syllabus, and all of you go through your offline class very well, offline YouTube classes that I have uploaded, and in those classes I have done many more things, isn't it? In those classes I have done many more things and I have completed so many things over there. All of you please go through your offline YouTube classes in these days, okay? In these days I have done so many things I have provided in your offline classes, so go through those classes very well, right? Okay, yeah. So let's continue with our now. Yes, very good morning to all of you. And now let's continue with our next session. That is the chapter I was doing in just go through the offline classes, you will come to know that the chapter I was doing, the tailor and his friend. The tailor and his friend. The tailor and his friend. Okay, I have completed the reading and also given you some spellings to practice, and from the exercises, means the reading is fun part, in page number 117. 117 I have given reading is fun part. You can see there were 5 questions, and amongst the 5 questions I have completed 3 questions in your offline classes, offline YouTube classes. Go through that, and today I will do the rest 2 of the questions. First 3 questions I am discussing once again. That number 1, who was Kalu? The answer will be Kalu was a tailor. This was provided in your offline YouTube classes. Number 2, who was Appu? Appu was an elephant. And number 3, where was Kalu's shop? The answer will be Kalu's shop was near the river. Okay, and today I will do the rest 2 of the questions. That is 4, what trick did Kalu play on Appu? Number 4, reading is fun part, okay? What trick did Kalu play on Appu? All of you write it down very carefully in your copy. All of you very carefully write it down in your copy. What trick did Kalu play? On Appu? So the answer will be, we can write the answer like one day Kalu played a trick on Appu. One day Kalu played a trick on Appu. One day Kalu played. Why you cannot see, dear? Yes, here it is no problem. Akriti? Yeah, dear. Akriti, then you cut the call and then rejoin, okay? Because from our side here it is no problem, right? Okay? So you cut the call and then rejoin. Now consider, write it down very carefully, that one day Kalu played a trick on Appu. When Appu came to Kalu's shop, when Appu came to Kalu's shop, instead of giving him food, Instead of giving him food, Kalu pricked Appu's trunk. Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Okay, write it down. Number 4. This is the answer. What trick did Kalu play on Appu? The answer is one day Kalu played a trick on Appu. One day Kalu played a trick on Appu. When Appu came to Kalu's shop, instead of giving him food, Kalu pricked Appu's trunk with a needle. Okay, write it down carefully and let me know you have finished writing. Then I will write the next question. All of you finished writing? Let me know, then I will write the next question. Write it down fast, dear. Okay, all of you let me know that you have completed. I will erase. Okay, all of you write it down carefully, dear. Okay, so I am erasing now and I will write the number 5. Okay then. Okay, I am erasing. Number 5. How did Kalu's clothes become wet? How did Kalu's clothes become wet? How did Kalu's clothes become wet? So we can write the answer that Kalu's clothes became wet Kalu's clothes became wet. Kalu's clothes became wet as Appu filled his trunk. As Appu filled his trunk with river water and he reached with river water and he reached Kalu's shop and he reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. All the new clothes became wet. Okay, so this is the answer. How did Kalu's clothes become wet? Kalu's clothes became wet as Appu filled his trunk with river water, and he reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. Okay, I'm repeating once again. Kalu's clothes became wet as Appu filled his trunk with river water, and he reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. Okay, all the T-H-E, the all the new clothes became wet. Okay, all of you have done, and you can see now the let's talk part. Aradhya, and a good morning, and all of you just write it down carefully, right? Okay, so now I will just discuss the let's talk part. In let's talk part, you can see some of the questions are there. What you can write it, just write it on your own. That what do you do when someone troubles you? You can write your own feeling. Then when you are angry, you can also write your own feeling. When you don't want to share, you will write it. And when someone asks you for a pencil, what would you do? Obviously give them, right? Obviously you share your pencil with them. So these are the things you can write it on your own. And in let's share part, you can see what games, 2 questions. What games do you play with your friends? Whatever you play, just write it down. Whatever you play with your friends, you can write it. And number 2, can you walk and make sounds like an elephant? Can you? If you can, then yes. If you don't, if you cannot, then say no, right? Okay. So nothing to do in page number 117. Only reading is fun part is there, what you can do. And now come to page number 118. All of you haven't mute your microphones. Apronil, mute your microphone, all of you. Okay, and now come to page number 18. You can see there is a yellow colored box at the beginning of the page. There you can see some of the words are written, and it is saying to say aloud. Okay, I am reading all of these. Jam, jeep, joy, jug, juice, pan, pen, pick, pink, put, year, yell, yellow, yes, young, zebra, zigzag, zip, zoo, zoom. Just carefully notice how I am pronouncing it. All of you try to pronounce it in that way. Okay, and in the second part you can see some of the pictures. You can see some of the pictures are here. We here need to pick the odd one out. Here you can see the first one is done. That is, among the first line there is elephant, that is odd one, and the others are fruits, right? And in the second line, like Sunday, moon, Monday and Friday, in the second line it is, what is the odd one out here? Sunday, moon, Monday and Friday. What is the odd one out? You can see the picture of the moon. So here, yes, right, Antara, right, moon here is the odd one. Then you can see a rabbit, March, May and April. So here is the odd one out. We can see, yes, rabbit. So here in the third line you can see rabbit is the odd one out. Then you can see in the fourth line there is a bus, a milk jug and a ship and an aeroplane. Yes, so all the things like bus, ship and aeroplanes are vehicles, and here milk jug is something to eat, something to drink. Okay, so this is the odd one out. And the next line, you can see there is a book, an eraser, a mug and a pen. So yes, mug, cup, whatever you can say. So here in the fifth line, you can see book, eraser and pen, that is needed to write and study, and the cup is the odd one out, right? And in the sixth line, you can see there is onion, rose, tomato and carrot. So here you can see what is the odd one out? Yes, rose, right, very good. And in the last line, you can see a doctor, a postman, a table and a tailor. So here the last line, a doctor, postman, table and tailor. What is the odd one out here? Yes, table. Table is the odd one out. Okay, correct. All of you, very good. So the chapter is completed by this and nothing to do from here. Okay. Flyman. What is flyman? Aryan? Oh, flying man. Yes, flying man, that is I will not do now. If I do, then you will come to know. Okay, but now I have done. Okay, Anirban, very good. Right. Okay, good. Adrija, good. Okay, fine. No. Okay, right. So all of this now this way the chapter is completed. I hope all of you have written all of these, and all of you please go through the offline YouTube classes. I am saying once again that I have done so many things over there. Okay, right, very good. Now all of you please give your present. Write P your present in the chat box. I will take your present now. P your present in the chat box. And no one will leave the class until I finish. Okay, or you will be absent. I am saying you once again. No one will leave the class. Okay. Okay, so I have taken all of you present. Okay, right, I have taken all of you present, and today I have completed the chapter also. All of you please go through the offline classes very well, right? Okay, and today the time is up also, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye all of you.